I just wanted to go through how See the Menu works from the point of view of ordering from a QR code on a table tent or on a poster or on a sticker. So basically, this link is up on the contactless virtual menus. I'll put the link in the description. But basically, you can just see here where the phone is basically scanning the QR code, and it's on a table tent. So basically, that lets them then open up a web page which goes directly to the menu for the particular restaurant, and this is a mobile optimized menu, so you can just see here. Basically, that opens up this menu. So basically, on a mobile device, this is what it will look like as well, obviously significantly smaller. So basically, this particular menu is for dining in, but it's pretty much the same thing for somebody that's ordering online for delivery or takeaway. So basically, you've got the link here that goes directly to the menu. I'll show you that in 1 minute. So then it just gives options for basically Wi-Fi within the restaurant. You can speak with a waiter through a chat. There's a gallery there for menu items. You can look at the various offers for the different restaurants, free delivery. You can put in codes and vouchers, that type of thing. There's information then. There's a loyalty point system also on SeeTheMenu.ie. So basically, it just gives the details there. Again, all this will be in the link in the description. So you can refer the restaurant as well, and you can also book a table, and you can call directly as well if you wanted to call, basically to place your order. So when you click on the menu item, it brings you directly to the food menu. So basically, that's the kind of the path to basically getting access to the menu, where they can go ahead, and there's a full video on how to order, but basically this is the general layout for a particular restaurant. It could be for bars as well. So you can order basically food if it was a pizzeria, or if it was a bar and you were serving bistro food. Basically can be set up whatever way. There's meal deals can be set up. So basically that's pretty much how the order process works. And again, the QR code can be put anywhere. It can be put on, a poster. It can be put on a table tent. We have table tents, stickers that can be stuck on a pizzeria box. So basically the idea is that you want customers scanning the QR code, getting straight to your menu, where then you can basically sell them whatever you're selling, be it pizzas, beer, drinks, whatever. So just to kind of go through the back end of SeeTheMenu.ie, there's the membership options. Then if you go to SeeTheMenu.ie, there's restaurant sign up, and there's two options. Basically, there's a monthly or yearly fee, and then there's the commission option. So that's just from the point of view of signing up. So just to kind of look at then from the point of view of what's available on, there's the menu. You can display your opening hours. You can look at the reviews, map to the restaurant or bar. You can book a table. There's photos of the menu items that this is all mobile optimized as well, so it can be viewed on either PC or someone's device. Information on the restaurant and promos, which is important. So basically all of these vouchers and delivery options, they can be all kind of incorporated into kind of however you want it set up. So it lists the delivery information for your restaurant or bar, distance covered. You can also charge a delivery fee based on the person's location. So you have different options then. Basically, you can opt in for no contact delivery. Delivery options can be set to, this particular restaurant is set up for delivery and pickup only, but it can also be set up for delivery, dine-in and takeaway basically. So you can select basically the date, the time, or delivery straight as soon as possible. So that's kind of the restaurant from the point of view of the restaurant. So that's kind of generally how it works. It's pretty straightforward, but there's quite a bit that goes on in the back end from the point of view of the merchant. So basically, when you log in as a merchant or a restaurant owner basically, or a bar owner, you can have access to all of the the menu items to edit them, and basically there's a separate video on all of this. I'll link to that stuff in the description as well. But basically I just kind of wanted to go over the broad strokes for this particular restaurant, and just basically how it generally works. So this is kind of your details. We can also set up for SMS messaging as well, so you can send text campaigns to your customers. So you can text them when you're having specials, or if there's if you want to kind of if you have a certain food item that you want to run a promotion for, give discounts. You can do all that through the dashboard as well, and you can send kind of bulk messages to your existing customers basically. So that's just, there's lots of stuff in here that kind of there will be separate videos on. Then here basically, this is the merchant dashboard again. So basically from the point of view of a customer who logs in, so basically now I'm somebody who's ordering food, I can look at my profile, obviously my address book, so I can have different addresses where I get food delivered. I can look at my order history. I can look at my table booking history. I can look at my favorite restaurants. So your restaurant basically can be added to your customers' favorites. My credit card details and my points basically. So for every item that I order, I can get points for. I can get points for signing up. I can get points for referring people. There's a number of options there. So that's basically a general overview of how the the menu for a particular restaurant works. And this again can be modified. Obviously there are different priorities. If somebody's ordering from the point of view at the moment, it's going to be basically, it's not going to be dine in, but that's probably going to change. But this is from the point of view of a dine in, but obviously these options will be prioritized. Basically somebody that hits kind of the restaurant, like scans the QR code and hits this particular, then we can have the call us button kind of up here. Obviously they're not going to be talking to the waiter, but they can be chatting with a member of staff. They can chat directly with them. So basically if you hit waiter, and basically that just brings up a pop-up with a chat option. So basically you can basically chat directly with the restaurant there. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward from the initial kind of interface, kind of, when they hit the menu, and then after that it's kind of, they obviously go to the menu and they can kind of book from there. And the booking process, there's a separate video on kind of how that works. Not the booking process, but the ordering process. So basically ordering from the point of view of takeaway, or from the point of view of, delivery. So obviously the options can be selected there. So that's pretty much it from the point of view of how this works. I'll do a separate video on the membership options, commission, or paying membership kind of on a monthly or a yearly basis. So that would depend on the particular bar or restaurant that's looking to kind of set this up. So any questions, you can hit me up on chat on SeeTheMenu.ie or twap.ie, TWAPP.ie, and or obviously you can hit me up in the comments and I can answer our questions there as well. But all the information will be in the description in the video. The links to all of this stuff and how to sign up and that type of thing, and any promotions that we're running at the moment obviously will be in there as well. Okay, that's pretty much it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more information on offers that we may be running for See the Menu or the TWAP Partner Network, TWAPP.ie or SeeTheMenu.ie. Okay, thanks for taking the time to watch. Take care.